Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another episode of Realty Rights. This morning we are going to have a beautiful home profile here for you on gorgeous Whidbey Island. A nice sunrise this morning. Really nice morning. Today we'll be profiling a home with western exposure and views from above overlooking Cultus Bay, shipping lanes, and the Olympic Mountains. It's a spacious two-story home with a reverse floor plan that features 2 bedrooms, 3 baths, a den/office, several multi-use rooms, and ample storage. Here is a flexible floor plan with room for everyone. Design features include vaulted ceilings, transom windows, maple cabinetry, and hardwood floors. It was remodeled in 2010 by Swenson Sons Construction here in Seattle. It has an entertainment-sized deck to enjoy the views, and it's adjacent to the Port of South Whidbey, with trails and park right behind the house for your nature fix at home. It also includes a 3-bay garage with workbench and hoist, garden shed, and storage shed for yard tools. Enjoy access to the Possession Shores Communioty waterfront park with private beach access and boat launch. So the grounds here at this property are absolutely beautiful. Nice landscaped garden area here, beautiful flowers. I think those are irises or daffodils, I'm not quite sure what they are. I'm not a big flower person, but beautiful vegetation, trees. We have some gardeners here right now that are doing more work on this already exquisite garden. Really beautiful. We've got roses here. And it's got a terrace that goes down here like this. Little stepway. Be careful, I don't want to step on their work. Anyways. And there is a view of the Possession Point and Sandy Hook. There's actually low tide right now, as you can see that the sandbars are kind of showing up. It's a beautiful day here on Whidbey Island. There's the Olympic Peninsula. This is a really nice enclave neighborhood. Very quiet, very peaceful, and very indicative of Whidbey Island. You know, Whidbey Island has lots of nooks and crannies all throughout this island that is just magical and beautiful and peaceful. And that's why people come here and they move here and they live here. We've been here for 20 years, and I can't imagine living anyplace else. Hey, good afternoon, and welcome back to Realty Rides, and welcome back to another house profile here on Whidbey Island. This is 8219 Lupne Lane here in Clinton on the south side of the island, and we're going to show this fantastic home that just came on the market, so come on in and take a look. Nice stairwell. So how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing great. I sure am. I love showing houses. This is one of the best things about Realty Rights, being able to show beautiful homes like this. Look at the cabinetry, you guys. Fantastic appliances. Really, really well-made cabinetry. I'm in the market, my wife and I are in the market for cabinetry ourselves, so I know when I see high quality workmanship like this. This is really nice. Very well done. I'll put the name of the cabinet maker in the description down below if you are interested in this type of work for yourselves. Yeah, very nice. Nice big sink. Nice appliances. It's got a nice gas stove here. Very nice. And over here, might as well show you guys right off the bat. Here they have this dining area with, again, it's handmade, handcrafted, beautiful table. And beautiful chest of drawers over there. Very nice stove. And then you have this fantastic view. So here is the absolute beautiful view of Sandy Hook and Possession Point. It's a little bit bright right now. Hopefully it'll come out on this GoPro camera that I have. But yeah, it's fantastic. Look at the Olympic Peninsula, the Olympic Mountains over there. And then your peaceful and tranquil garden down below. Yeah, this is a great house. It's a really great house. Those gardeners are hard at work. You guys are doing a great job. It looks really, really beautiful. And here they go. Yeah, you guys, island living is really wonderful, you know. There are a few places in the country that you can live and feel like you're always on vacation. And Whidbey Island here in the Pacific Northwest is one of those locations. Unlike other areas in the country where it's gotten to be so expensive, you can still find affordable, beautiful homes here, such as this one, and get so much house for the money and live in a beautiful location, great neighborhood, friendly people. This is what quality of life is all about. Yeah, very nice. Nice deck. Yeah, so this is 8219 Lupne Lane. We have secondary bedroom. Now this bedroom could be considered, I would consider it the main bedroom, because this is more like a little suite. Look at the view out there. Look at that great view of the water. Very nice. Very high ceilings. And then here you have a sitting area adjacent to the sleeping area, the little stove, and a big walk-in. And here is the master bedroom, bathroom rather, master bathroom. Look at this cool tub. Wow, very nice. Deep soak, that's what you call a soaker tub. Yeah, very nice. Again with the beautiful cabinetry down below. All right, let's go over there to the other side of the house. Pardon my mirror vision. And here is a nice office, very quiet, room for people to meet. Nice desk area. You can also make this into, if you don't want to have an office, you can make this into another bedroom. So this house technically has 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Extra room here. Here's the primary bedroom. Nice outdoor view of the trees, very calming. And here you have another bathroom. Again with a shower. And all over the house you have this beautiful handmade cabinetry. Really, really nice. And then on this side, you have what's called a bonus room. So this room has a lot of extra area here. You can make this into an exercise location. You can make this to another, I would think another bedroom if you wanted to, if you were creatively minded. Then here you have more storage location. So this area here can be cut off also at some point. Who knows what you can make this into, another little room. So the potential of this house is pretty dramatic. The foyer has access to the garage. So when you do shopping, you have those 3 stalls right here that are connected through this door. You can access right into your home. So this is the main level. And we'll be going upstairs here in a few minutes. The main level has, right here on the right-hand side, you have a nice exercise room with a really cool sauna. But I understand the sauna is not going to be included in the sale of this house. So, and then here you have the room here for exercise. You can put all sorts of equipment in here. You can also make this into a game room. Nice beautiful doors. Really nice. Really beautiful workmanship in these doors. And then here you have a very cozy, comfortable little TV room sitting area. And I understand these cabinets are all handmade by a craftsman here on the island. Very comfortable. And directly right next door, very convenient, you've got the washer and dryer laundry room. Right here. And then over here, you have a really nice bathroom. So after your exercise, you got a full shower, you got your toilet here, and it's really gorgeous sink. Look at that beautiful sink. Wow, that is nice. And you got room coat closet here, or towel closet. Whoops, actually it's more storage. A lot of storage back there. This house, by the way, as you'll find out here in a minute, is full of extra room. Almost every nook and cranny this house has got extra room. So this is the beach access that is also included in 8219 Lupne Lane rather. And this is Sandy Hook, and it's a public beach. And they have access. You have access to this too. You have playgrounds here for kids. Wonderful little beach here to relax. And like I said before, we have a low tide right now. Otherwise, this would be filled with water. But look at all the seagulls. Look how charming this is. Really nice. There's a little cabana right there. And I believe here is a really nice, it might be a pool, I think. Yep, here's a pool. So in the summertime, July 4th, holidays, Memorial Day weekend coming up. Shuffleboard right here. But most importantly, look at this wonderful view. You know, you're getting so much when you buy into a community like this. It's not just a house. Like I always say, I try to sell a lifestyle, not just a house, not just a car, not just a motorcycle, but it's a lifestyle, you know. Everything that's included in whatever you're trying to achieve and trying to acquire, other people, other like-minded individuals are doing the same thing. And it's enjoyable to be part of that community and share all these great experiences. Look at that cool beach. Really nice. And here you have Sandy Hook Marina. So if you have access to a boat, you also have access to this marina. You can park your boat here. There's a boat launch on the other side. All right. So this is 8219 Lupne Lane here in Clinton. It is for sale on the MLS, which I will give you guys the MLS number here in a minute, and I'll put the price down as well. And I'll give you all the information in terms of the listing broker. If you want to see the house, if you're represented by an agent, then just have your agent contact the MLS number and arrange for a showing time. If you're not represented by anybody, and you really want to see this house, then by all means, give me a call, and I will make arrangements to show the house to you. And I will leave my number here in the description as well. So, this is 8219 Lupne Lane. A really charming location, really charming house. Actively for sale right now on the MLS.